Look at that. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Fraser from Fraser Cooks. This is episode 4 of Fanboy. Today I have a very special guest, Jonah from Hot Mulligan. And today we're making Japanese curry. Jonah was telling me that he loves Japanese food, so I wanted to mix it up and do something still Japanesey, something really heartwarming. It's raining in Toronto today. A curry is always nice, so we're gonna do a Japanese curry with a crispy tofu katsu on top. Found out about you through Field Medic. I got married in 2022, so I got him to do our first dance song is You You You.
Oh, nice.
So I got him to record a dedicated version to me and my wife.
You hit me up and I was like, let's go.
Sick. Are you the only vegan in the band?
Yes.
Nice.
Many vegan-friendly people in the band because Tade's wife is vegan.
Oh, cool.
Brandon's girlfriend is vegan.
Oh, sick.
So I'm the only dedicated soldier, but everyone else is pretty open to it.
That's great. How did you end up getting connected with those guys?
I met Chris during the pandemic. Things started opening back up. Chris hit me up because Hot Mulligan was recording in New Jersey. He was like, do you want to just come hang out? Like, we don't have a bass player. Like, you could jam with us. And just did that.
Yes,
and threw it out there that if they ever needed a guy to play on tour,
right, that
I was available. And then a couple months later, they hit me up. What is this device?
This is just a hot plate. So
okay.
I wasn't sure, I've never cooked here.
Mm-hmm.
So I brought this because you can move it around. I film all my videos with this.
Cool.
Because yeah, it'd be awkward if we were just standing here, you know?
Yeah.
But it's induction heat, so it really burns things quickly.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get you to actually scoop these seeds out.
Cool. Where do they go? Oh, in this.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's pretty makeshift, you know,
Cool.
but we use what we got. Do you guys hang out when you're not on tour, or not really?
Not really, no. Because we're all so far away.
Yeah, for sure.
Tades and Brandon are in Chicago, so that's kind of our home
Central.
base.
In my eyes, you guys are rock stars, you know, but it's so accessible.
Yeah. Yeah,
which is so interesting.
I don't think any of us feel that way, but
yeah,
for some people, I mean, growing up, bands of a similar size, I thought they were rock stars. So
exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
Which is so interesting, and then, but it's so different. There's, I don't know. That's my favorite part about this kind of music is everyone is just so approachable.
Yeah.
Perfect. This is looking great here. I would actually try and get all these guts out too.
Okay.
Not really the right tool for the job with that spoon, but
We'll make it work.
that's the number one thing in cooking is
Okay.
if you really have the right tool for the job, it makes it a lot easier. Which we didn't bring that tool, so
All good.
and then yeah, we're actually cooking everything for this curry in this one pot here. So this squash is pretty hard to cut and cook. So if you cut it up really small, then it will cook all at the same time. Okay, we're gonna add this now, so we can zoom in. So in here we got sweet potato, onions, ginger, garlic, and then we're gonna add soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, and this is you ever use this?
No.
Get a close up of this here. So yeah, these are just bricks of curry, of curry
Nice.
paste essentially.
Yeah, I've only used curry powder.
I actually cooked it on live TV yesterday.
Oh, nice.
We'll put the link in the description.
How was that?
It wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah.
I thought I'd be more nervous. So I'm just gonna add enough water to make sure everything's covered. And then we're just gonna bring that to a boil until it's tender basically. Okay, so for the tofu katsu, we're just gonna cut this right in half like this. And you're gonna get 2 nice slabs of tofu. Like that. So this plate, we have cornstarch and a little bit of salt. And then we have non-dairy milk in this one. And then this is just panko breadcrumbs and a little bit of salt. And don't worry about making a mess. I wish I had 3 bowls, but we only have plates. So, and I would use one hand for the dry and then one hand for the wet. But the cornstarch is very fine, so if you dropped it, it would sputter over it that.
I see.
But it's all good. It adds to the aesthetic.
Then you said go back
into
over.
the cornstarch, yeah.
Okay.
There we go. We got 1 cutlet.
Nice.
Ready for the fryer. And then we got our cutlet here, perfectly golden brown. So how do you find being vegan on the road? Is it challenging or?
I wouldn't say it's as challenging as it maybe once was. That's like the number one thing I look forward to, like going on tour, is because
Getting
I know
out of
I'm
your
gonna
small
like,
town?
yeah, and like just like some of my favorite spots,
Right, you
are
gotta go back
in
there.
random states that I wouldn't ever go to otherwise.
True. All right, the curry's done. The vegetables are nice and tender, and we got a nice curry sauce. We're gonna plate up with a couple of ladles of this curry: sweet potato, squash, onions, ginger, garlic. But before we dig in, I wanted to ask, like, I love your new album. How's like reception and like tour been so far?
Yeah, reception's been pretty good as far as I can tell. It always takes like a bit of time for a new record to like sit with people before you can like really see how it does. But so far, we're really stoked on it. It seems like our fans are stoked on it, and we're playing the album in full on the tour.
Oh, sick.
But it's only day 2, so like yesterday was the first show. Seemed like people knew like the words and stuff, so that's a good sign.
Look at that. All right, we did it. That was pretty easy.
Not bad.
So yeah, we have our Japanese curry with sweet potato, squash, and our tofu katsu. Let's dig in. Cheers.
Cheers. That's amazing.
All right, everyone. Thanks so much for tuning in. Remember to subscribe, drop a comment if you listen to the new Hot Mulligan album, and we'll see you in the next one.